So we are here in Costco to buy chicken unta for my chicken macaroni salad, but we end up buying so much. This chicken rotisserie is so much cheaper here in Costco than in Sobeys or in Superstore or in Walmart, because it costs $13 here. It's only $8. Can you imagine the difference? But then we end up buying more. Nita na po may mayonnaise kay pang sahog sa amo ang chicken macaroni salad. Oh, nice. That's $24. Manok ka, honey. Unsa man ha? Ah, honey manok. But yeah. No. Let's see. So the third aisle from where we were. Someone kaning Kirkland. $9. Go. Karonig park sa kuari kay gawat ko sa usa, so we're about to pay. So imbes kay maoro niya tong tuyo, we have this oil, we have this 3 whole chicken, $31. We have pepero, kaning corn chips atong soya ni kay mangay ko corn chips, and then we have this Oreo muffin, tapos ang among shrimp. So, palit pa tag underwear ni Jaden. And then chinelas daw para pang uli Pilipinas. Tapos ni ata pang snack ni sa trabaho. Ano ka itong trabaho? Baon snack. Gilat-ugan mo ni dyan yung kuha na yun. Yahang bagel. Tapos mayonnaise na gigante. Tapos pang soup. Pang soup, hot pot soup. Buhang buot. Tag-15 masiguro sa ani. So, good luck sa mo kung pila ni presyo tanan. I'm guessing this would be about Maura, as I said, it's more ni sadya na mo guys unta. You know, this is like $8 each. We buy 2. Kay pang sahog, pang sudaan, tsaka pang sahog na ho sa aho ang chicken macaroni salad. Daplin ta kay taas ang pila. And then, siguro, I'm guessing this would cost us 200 something. Tapos, dira, yung gidagdag tsaa, ha? Huh? Tea. Wala na. This is all. Mga siguro 200 something. So, I'm gonna give him 150 para siya na magbayad sa the rest. Kasi, mga 200 something po ni guys. So, tama, jud ko guys. It's now 245 of all this. Wagi sa may aning liquor sa simis sangria. Buying this one for $12 only, and this is so good guys. This one is so good. This one. So we already have 6 in the house. 4 plus 2 right now.